I am doing a open box review of the Audew Epower-155Pro. This is a multi-function jump starter. It also can be used as a power bank. Also you can use it for your car electronics and also as like a flashlight or a torch. But this is the box right here. I'll bring it in a little closer to let you look at it. And basically, it's made by Audew. That's spelled A-U-D-E-W, Audew. But the company was bought out by this company, Andeman, A-N-E-M-A-N, M-A-N, man, rather. So it's the same company, it just was bought out. So this is the box. And let me bring it in a little closer right here. Okay, so like I said, it's a multi-function jump starter. Right here it comes in a box. Right here, this is the instructions on how it works. And you can jump start 12-volt vehicles in 4 steps. Okay, and this is showing the simple steps of how it works. Basically, all you do is make sure that the starter is charged at least 60%. You can remove the jumper clamps and attach it to the unit. Then you attach the clamps to the battery, the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative. Then you go and start the car. And I think it has a boost feature on it. You can, if it needs a boost feature, you can put, if the battery is completely dead, a better way to put it, you can push the boost feature on this and it will revive that dead battery and you can start it. But anyway, I'm just showing you the box. I'm getting ready to show you what's in the box. Okay, here's the manufacturer right there. And here's some technical specifications. It's made by Andeman, which is basically, like I said, Audew. This is the Epower-155Pro. It's a lithium polymer battery. The peak current is 3,000 amps, and charging time is between 5 and 10 hours. Okay, and everything. But like I said, I'm going over it, and I'm getting ready to open the box and show you what's inside the box. Okay. Okay, I'm going to open up the box. Like I said, this was made in China. I paid $65 for it on Amazon. So, see right there, it says made in China. So let's open up the box. See what's in here. Okay. It comes in a case. Let me go ahead and take this out. Okay. Like I said, here's the box. Okay, it comes in a real nice case like this. Nice carrying case with the letter Audew on it. Just open it up. It's got a zipper on this side right here. Trying to do this. I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and open this up with the other hand. Okay, and you got on this side the jumper cables. Come on this side like this. Nice, pretty heavy-duty spring. I don't know what gauge the wires are. It's H-gauge wiring, which is pretty good. Got your negative and your positive on this side, and here's the where you plug it in on this side. Your jumper cable LED working. Well, it says status description rather, but this is what goes into the side of the other side of it rather. Okay, and here's the other side right here. And this is the unit itself. And let me see if I can get it out. It's kind of in there. Okay. Okay, here's the unit right here. It's covered up. Okay. It's got this plastic on it. Break that. Okay. And let me go ahead and set this camera down. It'll make it a whole lot easier on me since I got it out of the box rather. So this is the unit right here. Okay, and it comes right here. It's got a digital display. Okay, so I'm showing it to you. Let me back this camera up just a little bit. Pull this back. So this is the on and off switch right on this side right here. Here's a place for a flashlight. So I'm gonna see, I guess it goes in on this side right here. So let's turn it on and see the percentage. So it's blinking. Let's see. It may not have a charge on it. Oh, it's got a flashlight. Okay. This is a flashlight. I was pushing a flashlight. Okay, here's the on and off switch over here. So let's turn it on. Pushing the wrong button. You see it's blinking right there. I don't think it has a charge on it. That's why it's blinking like that. Yeah. It doesn't have, I don't think it has too much of a charge on there. That's why it's blinking. And try this one more time. Okay, and the percentage is, yeah. It doesn't have too much of a charge on there, so it's gonna probably need a full charge. But this is the on and off switch right here. This is the, I guess the flashlight. And I was trying to turn it on, but it doesn't have a charge on it, so it's not going to stay on. But it's got the letters on the front. Like I said, it's got a digital display. This is the output, 5 volt 3 amp on this side, 5 volt 2 amp on this side, and the input volt 5 volt 3 amp. And this is for charging right here. You see those outlets right there on this side. Okay, and this is where you plug it in at. On this side, it's got the, and it's only one way it goes in. I'm talking about the cables. It'll only go in one way, and that's like this. It's only one way to go in. And it goes in like that, and it's beeping right there. I don't know what that means, but I haven't charged it up yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Okay, so this is the unit itself. I'm gonna set it aside, see what else is in here. Here's the cables. Okay, I didn't see this cable right here. This is a UBS charging cable where you can probably charge it. But you probably have to buy some type of, I guess, some kind of charger right here for it to charge up. Okay, let's see what else is in here. You got your manual instructions. Tells you how it works. So it's telling you about the unit, everything. so I haven't read them yet. I'm just gonna put them back. Okay, and this is a UBS cord, I guess. I'm trying to. I guess this is just where you charge it up at. You can use this right here. But I think the other part that you plug into the electrical cord, you have to buy it. So, but I hadn't read the book yet, so I'm not really sure what it is. But that's basically all that comes in the box, and that's basically all I'm doing is just a unboxing. I got everything out for you right here, and like I said, this goes into the side right here. This is probably at 0. And I need to charge it. It's going to take at least 4 to 5 hours to fully charge this. But once I get it charged, then I can probably use it. But none of my batteries are dead, or I don't need to jump start anybody else's batteries. But I just want to pull that out. I pulled the jump starter out here, and just show it to you. So that's pretty much all to it. That is the Audew or the Andeman Epower-155Pro multifunction jump starter.